In this video, we will look into default methods which are being provided by the list interface. So let's create a new package, and the package name is defaults. And let's create a new class, new, and the class name is defaults static method or default static example. And let's create a new class, public static void main. So inside the public static void main, we'll be creating a list of a string. So list of a string and names is equal to arrays dot as list, and the names are Mike, Syed, Jenny, Jean, and Rajiv. So before Java 8, what we used to do is that we used to do the collections dot sort. In order to sort this list, we used to call collection dot sort and then provide the names, and it used to sort the list according to the natural order. And let's print out using Saupi and run this example. So you can see that the list is sorted out by natural order in the like Jean is first, Jenny is first, Mike, Rajiv, and Syed. Now let's comment this out, and then let's look into the sorting which is being provided with the list method. Like with the list interface, there's a sort which is being provided inside the list interface. Now let's do that and then use the list.sort or names.sort and provide a comparator. So we'll be using the comparator.natural order, and then afterwards print out the names. So you can see that the list is sorted in the natural order by arrays.sort also. So in this case, we don't have to use the collection.sort. Now let's look into this sort method which is being provided with the list interface. So if you look at it, this is a default method, default void sort inside the list interface, and there are so many default methods which are being provided by the list interface, and you can look for all those methods and interfaces which are being defined in the list interface by hitting control function and F12. So it will give you all the methods which are available inside the list interfaces. So many of these methods are default and static. So for example, add all. So Boolean add all, this is just a abstract definition, and also Boolean add all is also abstract. So it's a combination, list interface is a combination of abstract and static and default methods. So hit control function F12 again, and then you can see this, the method is sort and splitter. These are the two methods which are default. So for example, sublist is basically an abstract method, and here inside this view, if the method has the implementation, then you see that this gray on the right hand side, it means that this is a abstract method, and then if you have all those circle as pink, then it means that it's a default or static methods. And here, for example, this is static. So IntelliJ is basically giving us a view of which ones are static. So if you have this diamond, then it means that it's static. If you have on the right and left these gray bars, then it means that it's an abstract. Otherwise, this is default. So let's also look into the replace all. So you have a default method and the implementation is provided inside the default method. So go through some of them and just take a look into this list interface. There's a lot of new functionality which have been added into the list interface since Java 8. So it's better just go around and then look at yourself and then find out the differences which has been there in the list interface since Java 8.